In this video, I'll show you how to install PowerShell 7 on Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing, liking, and sharing the video. PowerShell 7 is a modern, more powerful version that gets updated with the latest features, completely separate from the one that comes with Windows. I will walk you through 3 different methods to install PowerShell version 7. The first method is the easiest. Open your Start menu, search for the Microsoft Store, and click Open. Once the store has launched, click on the search bar at the top, type PowerShell 7, and press Enter. Select the first item from the search results, which should be the correct application, and now simply click on Get to install it directly from the store. The second method is using winget. Right-click on your Start menu and run Terminal as admin, then click Yes on the security prompt. Now type the following command to download and install PowerShell 7, then press Enter. The last method is downloading the MSI package from GitHub. Open your browser and navigate to the official PowerShell GitHub page, which I have linked for you in the description below. Scroll down until you find the Assets section for the latest release and click on Show All if needed. Here you will see all the download versions for every architecture. If you don't know your PC's system architecture, simply press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog. Type this command and click OK. In the window that opens, find the System Type entry to see your system's architecture. In my case, it's a 64-bit system, so I will go back to my browser and download the suitable MSI package, which is x64. Once it's downloaded, simply run the file to start the installation. From here, you will just click Next and follow the installation wizard. I can't complete that part on screen as I already have PowerShell 7 installed on my machine.